concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. Introduction. Welcome to the By JessTD YouTube channel, where we explore innovative ideas for home decoration and design. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. As we navigate through this topic, we will uncover how concrete, a material often perceived as cold and industrial, can be harmoniously integrated with local materials to create stunning homes that resonate with their surroundings. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the structures but also promotes sustainability by utilizing resources that are readily available in the local environment. By employing local materials, we can significantly reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting building supplies, while also celebrating the unique characteristics of the region. In this The benefits of using local materials in concrete house design. When considering a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment, one of the primary benefits is sustainability. Local materials often require less energy for transportation, which significantly reduces the carbon footprint associated with construction. By sourcing materials from nearby, builders can minimize the environmental impact, contributing to a more sustainable future. Additionally, local materials often reflect the unique characteristics of the region, providing a sense of place and identity to the home. This approach not only fosters a connection between the house and its surroundings but also supports local economies by utilizing resources that are available within the community. Therefore, another advantage of incorporating local materials in a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is the enhanced durability and resilience of the home. Local materials are often better suited to withstand the specific climate and environmental conditions of the area. For instance, using locally sourced stone or wood can provide natural insulation and weather resistance, which can lead to lower energy costs and a longer lifespan for the home. When these materials are combined with concrete, they create a robust structure that can endure the test of time. This synergy between local materials and concrete not only results in a visually appealing design but also ensures that the home can withstand the elements, providing peace of mind for its inhabitants. Moreover, a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment allows for a more personalized and unique architectural expression. Each region has its own distinct materials, textures, and colors, which can be creatively incorporated into the design. For example, using local clay for brickwork or indigenous stones for landscaping can create a home that is not only functional but also a work of art. This customization fosters a deeper emotional connection to the space, as the design reflects the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the area. Homeowners can feel proud of their dwellings, knowing that they are living in a space that resonates with the local environment and showcases the artistry of the materials used. In addition to aesthetic and practical benefits, the use of local materials in a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can also promote community engagement and collaboration. When builders and architects prioritize local resources, they often work closely with local artisans, craftsmen, and suppliers. This collaborative approach can lead to innovative design solutions and a stronger sense of community. As local craftsmen contribute their skills and knowledge, they help ensure that the construction process respects and reflects the cultural and environmental context of the area. This engagement not only enriches the design but also strengthens community bonds, creating a shared sense of purpose and pride in the built environment. Finally, the integration of local materials in a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can enhance the overall well-being of the inhabitants. Natural materials have been shown to positively impact mental and physical health, promoting a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. By incorporating elements like wooden beams, stone walls, or even green roofs into the concrete design, homeowners can create spaces that foster relaxation and mindfulness. These natural elements can significantly improve indoor air quality and comfort, making the home a sanctuary that nurtures both body and spirit. Ultimately, the thoughtful combination of concrete and local materials results in a harmonious living environment that celebrates both the beauty of nature and the art of design. Designing for climate resilience. Incorporating a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is not only about aesthetics and sustainability, it is also about resilience against climate change. As extreme weather events become more frequent, homes must be designed to withstand these challenges. Utilizing local materials often means selecting those that are naturally suited to the local climate. For instance, in areas prone to heavy rainfall, materials that are water-resistant and can handle moisture without deteriorating are essential. Similarly, in regions that experience high winds, using sturdy, locally sourced materials can enhance the structural integrity of the home. This approach ensures that the house not only looks good but is also built to last, adapting to the environmental conditions specific. Moreover, a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can significantly improve energy efficiency. Local materials often have unique thermal properties that can help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. For example, using local stone can provide natural insulation, keeping the house cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Additionally, incorporating passive solar design principles, such as strategically placing windows to maximize natural light and heat, can further enhance energy efficiency. This thoughtful integration of local materials and design strategies not only contributes to a more sustainable living environment but also lowers utility costs, making it an economically viable choice for homeowners. Furthermore, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can promote biodiversity and ecological health. By carefully selecting materials that blend seamlessly with the surroundings, designers can create homes that do not disrupt local ecosystems. For instance, using native plants in landscaping can attract local wildlife and support pollinators, fostering a thriving natural environment. Additionally, incorporating features like green roofs or walls can provide habitats for various species while improving air quality. This connection to nature enhances the living experience, creating a home that is not only a shelter but also a part of the broader ecological system. The social aspect of resilience is also a crucial consideration in a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. Designing homes that can withstand climate challenges fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility. When neighborhoods are built with resilience in mind, it encourages collaboration among residents to prepare for and respond to environmental threats. Community workshops can be organized to educate homeowners about sustainable practices and the importance of using local materials, creating a collective effort towards resilience. This social connectivity can lead to stronger bonds among residents, making communities more cohesive and supportive in the face of adversity. Finally, the long-term benefits of a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment extend beyond immediate resilience. As climate change continues to impact our world, homes that are designed with local materials and environmental considerations in mind will likely retain their value over time. Potential buyers are increasingly looking for properties that are sustainable and resilient, making these designs more attractive in the real estate market. By investing in such a design, homeowners not only contribute positively to the environment but also secure their investment for the future. In conclusion, designing for climate resilience through the use of local materials is a vital aspect of creating a home that harmonizes with the natural environment while ensuring durability and sustainability for generations to come. Economic benefits of local material use. The concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment offers significant economic advantages that extend beyond initial construction costs. One of the most compelling benefits is the reduction in transportation costs associated with sourcing materials. When local materials are utilized, the need for long-distance shipping is minimized, leading to lower fuel expenses and a reduced carbon footprint. This is particularly important in today's economy, where sustainability is increasingly valued by consumers and investors alike. By choosing locally sourced materials, homeowners not only save money but also contribute to the local economy, supporting nearby suppliers and manufacturers. This cycle of local investment fosters economic resilience in communities. Moreover, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can lead to lower maintenance costs over time. Local materials are often more suited to the regional climate and environmental conditions, which means they are less likely to suffer from damage caused by weather extremes. For example, using local stone or wood that has adapted to the local climate can significantly reduce wear and tear, resulting in fewer repairs and replacements. This durability translates into long-term savings for homeowners, as they will not need to invest as much in upkeep or renovations. Additionally, many local materials have inherent qualities that enhance their longevity, such as resistance to pests or decay, further contributing to the economic benefits of such a design approach. Another economic advantage of the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is the potential for increased property value. Homes that are built with sustainable practices and materials are becoming more desirable in the real estate market. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many buyers are actively seeking homes that reflect their values, including sustainability and energy efficiency. By incorporating local materials and eco-friendly designs, homeowners can enhance their property's market appeal, potentially leading to higher resale values. This trend underscores the importance of making thoughtful design choices that align with both personal values and market demand. Furthermore, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can also provide economic incentives through government programs and grants. Many local and federal initiatives are aimed at promoting sustainable building practices, often providing financial assistance or tax credits for projects that utilize environmentally friendly materials. Homeowners who choose to build with local materials may find themselves eligible for such incentives, making the overall investment more affordable. These programs not only encourage sustainable development but also help reduce the financial burden on homeowners, making green building practices more accessible to a wider audience. Finally, the long-term economic benefits of a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment extend to the community level. Sustainable building practices contribute to a healthier environment, which can lead to decreased healthcare costs associated with pollution and environmental degradation. As communities embrace local materials and eco-friendly designs, they create a more resilient infrastructure that can withstand economic fluctuations and environmental challenges. This collective investment in sustainability fosters a sense of community pride and responsibility, ultimately leading to a stronger, more vibrant local economy. In conclusion, the economic benefits of using local materials in concrete house design are multifaceted, offering savings, increased property values, and long-term advantages for both homeowners and their community. Community and environmental impact. The concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment not only benefits individual homeowners but also positively impacts the surrounding community. When local materials are sourced for construction, it encourages a sense of community pride and ownership. This is particularly significant in areas where traditional building methods may have been overshadowed by modern, less sustainable practices. By choosing to build with local resources, homeowners can inspire their neighbors to consider similar approaches, fostering a collective movement toward sustainability. This ripple effect can lead to a community-wide commitment to environmental stewardship, where everyone plays a role in preserving local resources and promoting eco-friendly practices. Moreover, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment contributes to the preservation of local culture and heritage. Many regions have unique architectural styles that reflect their history and environment. By utilizing local materials, homeowners can create designs that resonate with their surroundings and maintain the architectural integrity of the area. This approach not only honors the local heritage but also provides a sense of continuity and connection to the past. As more homeowners embrace local materials, the community's identity becomes enriched, creating a unique landscape that tells a story of its inhabitants and their relationship with the environment. In addition to cultural preservation, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment plays a crucial role in enhancing biodiversity. When homes are designed with local materials, they can be integrated into the existing ecosystem more seamlessly. For instance, using native plants in landscaping or incorporating features that support local wildlife can create habitats that promote biodiversity. This is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems, which in turn support clean air, water, and soil. By making thoughtful choices in design and materials, homeowners can contribute to a thriving environment that benefits all living organisms in the area. Furthermore, the economic impact of the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment extends to the local economy. By sourcing materials locally, homeowners support local businesses and craftsmen, helping to stimulate the economy. This practice not only creates jobs but also fosters a sense of community interconnectedness. As local businesses thrive, they can reinvest in their communities, providing services and resources that further enhance the quality of life for residents. This symbiotic relationship between homeowners and local enterprises reinforces the importance of sustainable practices that benefit both the environment and the economy. Finally, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment sets a powerful example for future generations. As awareness of environmental issues grows, it is essential to instill values of sustainability and respect for nature in younger generations. By showcasing the benefits of using local materials and creating homes that harmonize with the environment, homeowners can inspire children and young adults to think critically about their choices and the impact they have on the world. This legacy of sustainability can lead to a more environmentally conscious society, where future builders and designers prioritize eco-friendly practices and community engagement. Ultimately, the integration of local materials in concrete house designs not only transforms individual homes but also cultivates a culture of sustainability that benefits the entire community. Future trends in sustainable building. As we look toward the future, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is poised to evolve significantly. Innovations in technology and materials science are paving the way for more efficient and sustainable building practices. For instance, advancements in concrete technology are leading to the development of eco-friendly concrete mixtures that incorporate recycled materials and reduce carbon footprints. These innovations not only enhance the strength and durability of structures but also align with the principles of sustainability that are increasingly important in modern architecture. By adopting these new materials, builders can create homes that are not only functional but also environmentally responsible. Moreover, the integration of smart technology into the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is becoming more prevalent. Smart home systems can optimize energy usage, monitor environmental conditions, and enhance the overall living experience. For example, energy-efficient heating and cooling systems can be paired with locally sourced materials to create a home that minimizes energy consumption while maximizing comfort. Additionally, smart irrigation systems can utilize rainwater harvesting techniques to maintain gardens and landscapes, further reducing the environmental impact. This synergy between technology and sustainable design represents a significant trend that will shape the future of home construction. In conjunction with these technological advancements, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is likely to see a shift towards more flexible and adaptable living spaces. As lifestyles change, the need for homes that can accommodate various functions and purposes is becoming essential. Modular designs that utilize local materials can be easily reconfigured to meet the evolving needs of residents. This adaptability not only promotes sustainability but also enhances the longevity of structures, reducing the need for extensive renovations or new builds in the future. The ability to modify spaces as needed ensures that homes remain relevant and functional over time. Another significant trend is the increased focus on community-oriented designs within the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. As urbanization continues to rise, there is a growing demand for developments that foster a sense of community and connection to nature. This can be achieved by designing neighborhoods that incorporate green spaces, communal gardens, and shared facilities, all constructed with local materials. Such designs encourage social interaction and promote a healthy lifestyle, providing residents with opportunities to engage with their environment and each other. This shift towards community-centric living is not only beneficial for individual well-being but also strengthens the bonds within neighborhoods. Lastly, the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment will likely embrace a more holistic approach to sustainability. This means considering the entire life cycle of a building, from design and construction to operation and eventual deconstruction. Emphasizing circular economy principles, builders and designers will focus on using materials that can be easily repurposed or recycled at the end of their life. This approach not only minimizes waste but also reduces the demand for new resources, making it a key aspect of future sustainable building practices. By prioritizing a comprehensive understanding of sustainability, the next generation of homes will be more resilient, efficient, and harmonious with the natural environment. Overcoming challenges in sustainable construction. The journey toward achieving a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is not without its challenges. One of the primary obstacles is the misconception surrounding concrete as an environmentally unfriendly material. While traditional concrete production is associated with high carbon emissions, innovative approaches are transforming this narrative. By incorporating local materials and using alternative binding agents, builders can significantly reduce the environmental impact of concrete. For instance, utilizing fly ash, slag, or natural pozzolans in concrete mixes can lower the carbon footprint while maintaining structural integrity. This shift in perception is crucial for promoting sustainable construction practices, as it highlights the potential for concrete. Another significant challenge in the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is sourcing these materials locally. While the idea of using locally sourced materials is appealing, the reality can be complex. Availability, quality, and cost can vary widely depending on the region. Builders must establish strong relationships with local suppliers and artisans to ensure that the materials meet the required standards. Additionally, it may be necessary to invest in training for local craftsmen to ensure that they are equipped to work with these materials effectively. This commitment to local sourcing not only supports the community's economy but also fosters a sense of pride and ownership in the construction process. Designing homes that harmonize with the natural environment presents its own set of challenges within the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. Architects and builders must consider factors such as climate, topography, and existing ecosystems when planning a project. For example, a home designed for a coastal area may require different materials and construction techniques than one built in a mountainous region. This necessitates a deep understanding of both the local environment and the materials available. By prioritizing site-specific design, builders can create homes that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also resilient and energy efficient, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. Moreover, navigating regulations and building codes can pose challenges for those pursuing a concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. Local building codes may not always accommodate innovative materials or construction techniques, making it essential for builders to stay informed about regulations. Engaging with local authorities early in the design process can help identify potential hurdles and streamline approvals. Additionally, advocating for more flexible regulations that support sustainable practices can pave the way for future projects, encouraging a broader acceptance of eco-friendly building methods. Finally, the challenge of educating stakeholders about the benefits of sustainable construction cannot be overlooked. Homeowners, developers, and investors may be hesitant to embrace the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment due to misconceptions about costs, durability, and aesthetics. Comprehensive education and outreach efforts are necessary to demonstrate the long-term benefits of sustainable building practices. This includes showcasing successful projects, providing data on energy savings, and emphasizing the overall positive impact on the community and environment. By fostering a greater understanding of sustainable construction, the industry can move closer to a future where eco-friendly homes are not just an ideal but a standard practice. The future of sustainable construction. As we look toward the future, the potential for concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is becoming increasingly promising. With advancements in technology and a growing awareness of environmental issues, the construction industry is poised for transformation. Innovative materials and methods are being developed that not only enhance the sustainability of concrete but also improve its aesthetic appeal. For instance, the incorporation of recycled aggregates and eco-friendly additives can create concrete that is both strong and visually striking. This evolution in material science allows architects and builders to design homes that reflect the beauty of their natural surroundings while minimizing their ecological footprint. Moreover, the integration of smart technology into the concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is revolutionizing how we think about energy efficiency and sustainability. Smart home systems can optimize energy use by controlling heating, cooling, and lighting based on occupancy and environmental conditions. This not only reduces energy consumption but also enhances the comfort of the living space. Additionally, the use of renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines, can be seamlessly integrated into concrete structures, allowing homeowners to harness natural resources for their energy needs. The synergy between smart technology and sustainable building practices is paving the way for homes that are not only eco-friendly but also adaptable to the changing needs of their inhabitants. Another crucial aspect of the future of sustainable construction lies in community engagement and education. The success of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment relies heavily on the involvement of local communities in the building process. By fostering a culture of collaboration and knowledge sharing, we can ensure that sustainable practices are widely adopted and understood. Educational programs that highlight the benefits of using local materials and sustainable construction techniques can empower communities to take charge of their built environments. This grassroots approach not only enhances the quality of construction but also strengthens community bonds and fosters a sense of pride in the local environment. As we embrace the future of sustainable construction, it is essential to advocate for policies and regulations that support concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. Policymakers play a vital role in creating an environment conducive to sustainable building practices. This includes offering incentives for the use of local materials, providing grants for innovative construction methods, and streamlining the permitting process for eco-friendly projects. By aligning policy with sustainability goals, we can encourage more builders and homeowners to adopt practices that benefit both the environment and the community. The collaboration between builders, policymakers, and communities is critical to creating a sustainable future. Finally, the future of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment will also be shaped by the global movement toward sustainability. As awareness of climate change and environmental degradation grows, consumers are increasingly seeking homes that reflect their values. This shift in demand is prompting builders and developers to prioritize sustainable practices in their projects. The rise of green certifications and eco-labels is helping to guide consumers toward environmentally responsible choices. In this evolving landscape, the commitment to sustainable construction will not only enhance the quality of life for individuals but also contribute to the health of the planet. The future is bright for those who embrace the principles of sustainability in their building practices, ensuring that concrete homes can coexist harmoniously with the natural world. Embracing innovation in sustainable design. In the realm of architecture, the concept of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is not just a trend, it is a necessity for the future. As the world grapples with the effects of climate change and resource depletion, innovative design solutions are emerging that prioritize sustainability without compromising aesthetics. One such innovation is the use of advanced concrete technologies that incorporate recycled materials and alternative binding agents. By utilizing local resources, architects can create structures that are not only environmentally friendly but also deeply connected to their surroundings. This approach allows for the reduction of carbon footprints while promoting a sense of place and identity within the community. Furthermore, the integration of biophilic design principles into concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is gaining traction. Biophilic design emphasizes the connection between nature and the built environment, promoting well-being and sustainability. This can be achieved through the strategic placement of windows for natural light, the use of natural ventilation systems, and the incorporation of green roofs or living walls. These elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a concrete home but also improve air quality and reduce energy consumption. By fostering a deeper connection to nature, these designs contribute to the overall health and happiness of inhabitants, making sustainable living more desirable. Another critical aspect of innovation in sustainable design is the application of modular construction techniques. Concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can greatly benefit from modular methods, which allow for quicker assembly and reduced waste. Prefabricated components can be manufactured off-site using local materials, ensuring that the construction process is efficient and environmentally conscious. This approach also minimizes disruption to the surrounding ecosystem during the building phase. As a result, homeowners can enjoy the benefits of a sustainable and well-designed space while also supporting local economies and reducing their overall environmental impact. In addition to these technological advancements, the role of community involvement in concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment cannot be overstated. Engaging local communities in the design and construction process fosters a sense of ownership and pride in the project. By incorporating the values and preferences of the community, architects can create homes that truly reflect the character of the area. This collaborative approach not only enhances the livability of the space but also strengthens social ties and promotes sustainable practices within the community. Workshops, educational programs, and participatory design sessions can empower residents to take an active role in shaping their environment, ensuring that sustainable practices are embraced and celebrated. Finally, as we look toward the future of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment, it is essential to advocate for policies that support sustainable innovation. Governments and organizations can play a pivotal role in incentivizing green building practices through grants, tax breaks, and streamlined permitting processes. By creating a supportive framework for sustainable design, we can encourage more builders and homeowners to adopt eco-friendly practices. The future of architecture lies in our ability to embrace innovation while remaining rooted in the principles of sustainability. By prioritizing local materials, community involvement, and cutting-edge technology, we can create homes that harmoniously coexist with the natural environment, paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable future. The future of concrete housing and its impact on communities. As we envision the future of residential architecture, the concept of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment becomes increasingly relevant. This innovative approach not only addresses the pressing need for sustainable living but also fosters a sense of community and belonging. By utilizing local materials, architects can create homes that resonate with the surrounding environment, thereby enhancing the aesthetic and cultural value of neighborhoods. This shift towards localized construction practices can lead to a more sustainable future, where homes are designed to coexist harmoniously with their natural surroundings while reflecting the unique characteristics of the area. Moreover, the integration of sustainable practices in concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can significantly impact local economies. By sourcing materials locally, construction projects can stimulate regional markets and create job opportunities. This economic boost can lead to a revitalization of communities, encouraging local artisans and craftsmen to participate in the building process. As a result, the construction of concrete houses not only provides shelter but also strengthens the economic fabric of the community. This collaborative effort fosters pride among residents and encourages a shared commitment to sustainability, creating a ripple effect that benefits everyone involved. The environmental benefits of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment are profound. By prioritizing eco-friendly materials and construction techniques, we can reduce the carbon footprint associated with traditional building practices. Local sourcing minimizes transportation emissions, while the use of recycled materials further enhances sustainability. Additionally, concrete itself is known for its durability and energy efficiency, which can lead to lower energy consumption over the lifespan of the building. This focus on sustainability not only contributes to a healthier planet but also promotes a lifestyle that values environmental stewardship. In addition to environmental and economic advantages, concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment emphasizes the importance of social cohesion. When communities come together to design and build their homes, they foster connections that transcend individual ownership. This collaborative spirit can lead to the establishment of shared spaces, such as gardens or community areas, that promote interaction and engagement among residents. By prioritizing community involvement in the design process, we can create neighborhoods that not only serve as places to live but also as vibrant hubs of social activity and support. Looking ahead, the potential for concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment to shape the future of housing is immense. As more architects and builders embrace sustainable practices, we can expect to see a shift in how communities are designed and constructed. This transition will not only enhance the quality of life for residents but also contribute to a more sustainable future. By prioritizing local materials, community engagement, and environmental responsibility, we can create homes that are not only beautiful and functional but also deeply connected to the natural world and the communities they inhabit. The path forward is clear. Embracing innovative design principles and sustainable practices will lead us to a brighter, more harmonious future for all. Innovative techniques in concrete construction. In the realm of sustainable architecture, innovative techniques play a crucial role in achieving the vision of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. As the demand for eco-friendly housing increases, architects and builders are exploring advanced methods that not only enhance the structural integrity of homes but also reduce their environmental impact. Techniques such as 3D printing, prefabrication, and the use of alternative binding agents are revolutionizing how concrete houses are constructed. By leveraging these innovations, builders can create homes that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also efficient in terms of resource use and energy consumption. One of the most exciting advancements in concrete construction is the adoption of 3D printing technology. This method allows for the precise layering of concrete materials, resulting in intricate designs that were once difficult or impossible to achieve. The application of 3D printing in concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment enables the customization of homes to fit specific environmental conditions and personal preferences. Moreover, this technique minimizes waste by using only the necessary amount of material, thereby contributing to sustainability. As more builders embrace 3D printing, we can expect to see a new wave of innovative designs that harmonize with their natural surroundings. Prefabrication is another technique that enhances the efficiency of concrete construction. By manufacturing components off-site and assembling them on location, builders can significantly reduce construction time and labor costs. This method also allows for greater quality control, as elements can be produced in a controlled environment. In the context of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment, prefabrication facilitates the use of locally sourced materials, ensuring that the homes blend seamlessly with their surroundings. This approach not only supports local economies but also promotes sustainability by reducing the carbon footprint associated with transportation and on-site construction activities. Furthermore, the exploration of alternative binding agents in concrete mixes is gaining traction in the construction industry. Traditional concrete often relies on cement, which has a high carbon footprint due to its production process. By incorporating materials such as fly ash, slag, or natural pozzolans, builders can create more sustainable concrete mixtures that maintain strength and durability while reducing environmental impact. This shift towards greener materials aligns perfectly with the principles of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. By prioritizing sustainable ingredients, architects can design homes that are not only structurally sound but also environmentally responsible. Finally, the integration of smart technologies into concrete house designs is paving the way for more energy-efficient living. Smart home systems can optimize energy consumption by monitoring usage and adjusting heating, cooling, and lighting accordingly. In the context of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment, these technologies enhance the overall sustainability of the home. By combining innovative construction techniques with smart technology, homeowners can enjoy a comfortable living space while minimizing their ecological footprint. As we move forward, the fusion of traditional building practices with modern innovations will define the future of sustainable housing, ensuring that homes are built to last and harmonize with the natural environment. The role of community in sustainable concrete housing. The concept of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment extends beyond individual homes to the broader community. Sustainable housing is not just about the buildings themselves, it encompasses the relationships between residents, local resources, and the environment. Communities that prioritize sustainable practices can foster a sense of belonging and shared responsibility. By involving community members in the planning and building processes, a deeper connection to the environment is cultivated. This collaborative approach ensures that the designs reflect local needs, preferences, and cultural values, creating a harmonious balance between architecture and nature. Community engagement in the design and construction of concrete houses can lead to innovative solutions that address specific local challenges. For instance, in regions prone to extreme weather, community members can provide insights into traditional building techniques that have stood the test of time. Incorporating these methods into concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment not only enhances the resilience of the structures but also preserves cultural heritage. By valuing local knowledge and experiences, communities can develop homes that are not only functional but also resonate with the identity of the area, fostering pride among residents. Moreover, sustainable communities often emphasize shared resources and cooperative living arrangements. This can manifest in the creation of communal spaces, such as gardens, parks, or shared workshops, which promote social interaction and environmental stewardship. In the context of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment, these communal areas can be integrated into the overall design, encouraging residents to engage with each other and their surroundings. Such spaces not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the neighborhood but also serve as venues for educational programs focused on sustainability and environmental awareness. The economic benefits of community involvement in sustainable concrete housing cannot be overlooked. By sourcing materials locally and employing local labor, communities can stimulate their economies while reducing the carbon footprint associated with transportation. This approach aligns perfectly with the principles of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. As residents invest in their homes and neighborhoods, they contribute to a cycle of economic growth that benefits everyone. Furthermore, the development of sustainable housing can attract eco-conscious individuals and businesses, further enhancing the community's reputation and economic viability. Finally, the success of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment hinges on ongoing community engagement and education. As sustainable practices evolve, it is essential for communities to stay informed about new technologies, materials, and strategies. Workshops, seminars, and collaborative projects can serve as platforms for knowledge sharing, empowering residents to take an active role in shaping their living environments. By fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptation, communities can ensure that their concrete houses remain not only functional and beautiful but also aligned with the ever-changing landscape of sustainable living. This holistic approach ultimately leads to a thriving community that values both its natural surroundings and its collective future. Future trends in sustainable concrete housing. As we explore the future of sustainable living, it becomes increasingly clear that concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment will evolve to incorporate innovative technologies and practices. The integration of smart technologies into concrete housing is one of the most promising trends. Smart home systems can optimize energy usage, improve security, and enhance the overall living experience. By utilizing sensors and automation, residents can monitor their energy consumption and make adjustments in real time. This not only contributes to a reduced carbon footprint but also aligns perfectly with the principles of sustainable living. The future of concrete house design will increasingly reflect the need for homes that are not only built to last but are also capable of adapting to the In addition to smart technologies, the use of advanced materials in concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is gaining traction. Innovations such as self-healing concrete, which contains bacteria that can repair cracks autonomously, are becoming more prevalent. This technology significantly extends the lifespan of structures, reducing the need for repairs and maintenance over time. Furthermore, incorporating recycled materials into concrete mixes can enhance sustainability while reducing waste. By embracing these advanced materials, future concrete houses will not only be more durable but will also play a crucial role in minimizing the environmental impact of construction. This shift towards more resilient building practices is essential in addressing the challenges posed by climate change and resource depletion. Another significant trend is the emphasis on biophilic design in concrete housing. Biophilic design seeks to connect occupants with nature, promoting well-being and enhancing the quality of life. In concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment, this can be achieved by incorporating natural elements such as green roofs, living walls, and large windows that maximize natural light and views of the outdoors. These features not only improve the aesthetic appeal of the homes but also contribute to energy efficiency and biodiversity. As more people become aware of the mental and physical health benefits associated with nature, the demand for biophilic design in concrete housing will likely increase, shaping the future of sustainable architecture. The role of community in shaping future concrete housing cannot be overstated. As awareness of environmental issues grows, communities are increasingly advocating for sustainable development practices. This grassroots movement influences local governments and developers to prioritize concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. Community-driven initiatives, such as cooperative housing projects and shared resources, will likely become more common, fostering a sense of belonging and shared responsibility among residents. As communities work together to create sustainable living environments, the social fabric of neighborhoods will strengthen, leading to more resilient and cohesive societies. Lastly, education and awareness will play a pivotal role in the future of sustainable concrete housing. As the importance of environmental stewardship becomes more prominent, educational programs focused on sustainable practices will become essential. Workshops, seminars, and community events can equip individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to implement sustainable practices in their own homes. Concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment will be at the forefront of these educational efforts, showcasing the benefits of sustainable living and inspiring future generations to embrace eco-friendly practices. By fostering a culture of sustainability through education, we can ensure that the future of concrete housing is not only innovative but also deeply rooted in a commitment to protecting our planet for years to come. The economic benefits of sustainable concrete housing. The economic advantages of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment are becoming increasingly evident as more individuals and communities embrace sustainable living. One of the most significant benefits is the reduction in long-term costs associated with energy efficiency. Concrete homes, when designed with local materials, often feature superior insulation properties, which can lead to lower heating and cooling expenses. By utilizing natural resources that are abundant in the area, homeowners can significantly decrease their reliance on external energy sources. This not only saves money but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. As energy costs continue to rise, the appeal of energy-efficient homes becomes even more pronounced, making Additionally, investing in concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can enhance property values. Homes constructed with sustainable practices and materials are often more attractive to potential buyers. As awareness of environmental issues grows, many individuals are seeking homes that align with their values, prioritizing energy efficiency and sustainability. This trend can lead to higher resale values for properties built with eco-friendly materials and techniques. Furthermore, local governments may offer incentives such as tax breaks or grants for sustainable building projects, further enhancing the financial viability of these homes. As the market for sustainable housing continues to expand, investing in concrete homes designed with local materials becomes a strategic decision that can yield long-term financial benefit. Moreover, the use of local materials in concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can stimulate local economies. By sourcing materials from nearby suppliers, builders contribute to the local economy and reduce transportation costs and emissions associated with long-distance shipping. This practice not only supports local businesses but also fosters a sense of community as residents invest in their surroundings. Additionally, when local artisans and craftsmen are involved in the construction process, it enhances the uniqueness and character of the homes, making them more appealing to buyers who appreciate craftsmanship and local heritage. This economic ripple effect underscores the importance of community engagement in sustainable building practices. Furthermore, the construction of sustainable concrete homes can create job opportunities in the local area. As demand for eco-friendly housing increases, so does the need for skilled labor in sustainable building practices. From architects and engineers to construction workers and material suppliers, a wide range of professions can benefit from the growth of sustainable housing initiatives. By investing in training programs and workshops focused on sustainable construction techniques, communities can equip their workforce with the necessary skills to thrive in this emerging market. This not only enhances individual livelihoods but also contributes to the overall economic resilience of the community. Lastly, concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment promotes a sustainable lifestyle that can lead to reduced overall living expenses. By creating homes that are energy efficient and utilize local resources, residents can save on utility bills and maintenance costs. Additionally, sustainable homes often incorporate features such as rainwater harvesting systems and solar panels, which can further decrease reliance on external utilities. This holistic approach to living not only benefits individual homeowners but also contributes to a more sustainable future for the community as a whole. As more individuals recognize the economic advantages of sustainable concrete housing, the shift toward eco-friendly building practices will undoubtedly continue to gain momentum, paving the way for a greener, more sustainable world. The environmental impact of sustainable concrete housing. The environmental impact of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is a crucial aspect that cannot be overlooked. Traditional construction methods often rely on materials that contribute significantly to carbon emissions, resource depletion, and habitat destruction. In contrast, sustainable concrete housing focuses on minimizing these negative effects by utilizing local materials and eco-friendly practices. By sourcing materials from nearby areas, the transportation footprint is significantly reduced, leading to lower greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, the use of recycled aggregates in concrete can further decrease the environmental burden, making these homes a more responsible choice for eco-conscious individuals. This approach not only Moreover, concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment promotes biodiversity and ecosystem preservation. When construction projects utilize local materials, they often align with the natural landscape, reducing the need for extensive land alteration. This harmony with the environment allows for the preservation of local flora and fauna, which is vital for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Sustainable concrete homes can be designed to incorporate natural elements such as green roofs, living walls, and native landscaping, further enhancing the ecological benefits. By creating spaces that coexist with nature rather than disrupt it, these homes contribute to a healthier environment and support local wildlife habitats. In addition to promoting biodiversity, sustainable concrete housing plays a vital role in water conservation. Many designs incorporate features such as rainwater harvesting systems and permeable surfaces that allow water to infiltrate the ground rather than run off into storm drains. This is particularly important in urban areas where impervious surfaces can lead to flooding and water pollution. Concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment emphasizes the importance of integrating water management solutions into the overall design. By capturing and reusing rainwater, homeowners can reduce their reliance on municipal water supplies, ultimately leading to more sustainable water usage practices and a reduced ecological footprint. Furthermore, the energy efficiency of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment significantly contributes to reducing the overall carbon footprint of residential buildings. These homes often feature superior thermal mass, which helps regulate indoor temperatures and reduces the need for heating and cooling systems. By minimizing energy consumption, homeowners can lower their utility bills while also decreasing their impact on the environment. Additionally, many sustainable concrete designs incorporate renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, which further enhance energy independence and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. This comprehensive approach to energy efficiency not only benefits the homeowner but also contributes to a larger movement toward sustainability in the housing sector. Lastly, embracing concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment fosters a culture of sustainability that extends beyond individual homes. As more individuals and communities adopt eco-friendly building practices, the demand for sustainable materials and construction techniques grows. This shift can lead to increased innovation within the industry, encouraging the development of new technologies and practices that further minimize environmental impacts. By choosing sustainable concrete housing, individuals not only contribute to their immediate environment but also inspire others to consider the ecological implications of their building choices. This collective effort can lead to a more sustainable future, where homes are designed to harmonize with the natural environment, benefiting both current and future generations. The social benefits of sustainable concrete housing. The social benefits of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment extend far beyond the individual homeowner. Sustainable housing not only provides a comfortable living environment but also fosters a sense of community and belonging. When homes are built using local materials, they often reflect the cultural and historical context of the area, creating a unique architectural identity that resonates with residents. This connection to place can enhance community pride and encourage residents to engage more actively in local initiatives. As neighborhoods embrace sustainable practices, they often see a rise in community events, workshops, and collaborative projects that strengthen social bonds and promote a collective commitment to environmental stewardship. Moreover, concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can lead to improved public health outcomes. Sustainable homes are typically designed with better air quality, natural ventilation, and non-toxic materials, all of which contribute to healthier living conditions. By reducing exposure to harmful substances commonly found in traditional construction, such as volatile organic compounds, VOCs, residents can experience fewer health issues related to allergies, asthma, and other respiratory conditions. Additionally, the incorporation of green spaces and natural elements into the design promotes mental well-being, offering residents a tranquil environment that fosters relaxation and stress reduction. This focus on health not only benefits individuals but also creates a more vibrant and productive community overall. The economic implications of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment also play a significant role in enhancing social well-being. By utilizing local materials, construction costs can be lowered, making sustainable housing more accessible to a broader range of individuals. This affordability can help address issues of housing insecurity and contribute to a more equitable distribution of resources. Furthermore, sustainable housing projects often create local job opportunities in construction, design, and maintenance, bolstering the local economy and providing livelihoods for residents. As communities invest in sustainable practices, they can stimulate economic growth while simultaneously improving the quality of life for residents. In addition to economic benefits, concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment encourages educational opportunities within communities. As sustainable practices become more mainstream, they open avenues for learning and skill development in areas such as green building techniques, energy efficiency, and environmental conservation. Workshops and training programs can be organized to educate residents about sustainable living practices, empowering them to make informed decisions about their homes and lifestyles. This knowledge transfer not only enhances individual capabilities but also fosters a culture of sustainability that can be passed down through generations, creating a lasting impact on the community. Finally, the social benefits of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can contribute to resilience in the face of climate change and environmental challenges. Communities that adopt sustainable housing practices are often better equipped to respond to natural disasters, as these homes are typically designed to withstand extreme weather events. By prioritizing resilience in design, communities can reduce vulnerability and enhance their ability to recover from setbacks. This collective strength fosters a sense of solidarity among residents, as they work together to create a more sustainable and secure future. Ultimately, the integration of sustainable concrete housing into communities not only enriches individual lives but also lays the foundation for a more cohesive, healthy, and resilient society. The economic advantages of sustainable concrete housing. The economic advantages of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment are significant and multifaceted. One of the primary benefits is the reduction in construction costs associated with sourcing local materials. By utilizing materials that are readily available in the vicinity, builders can minimize transportation costs and reduce the overall carbon footprint of the project. This approach not only makes sustainable housing more affordable but also supports local economies by creating demand for local suppliers and craftsmen. Additionally, the use of locally sourced materials can lead to a more efficient construction process, as builders are often more familiar with the properties and handling of these materials. This efficiency can translate into faster project completion. Another economic advantage of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is the long-term savings associated with energy efficiency. Sustainable homes are typically designed with features such as high insulation values, energy-efficient windows, and renewable energy systems like solar panels. These elements contribute to significantly lower utility bills over time, allowing homeowners to save money on energy costs. In many cases, the initial investment in energy-efficient technologies can be recouped within a few years through these savings. Furthermore, as energy prices continue to rise, the financial benefits of energy-efficient homes will likely become even more pronounced, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious homeowners. The resale value of homes built with sustainable practices is another important economic consideration. Concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment often appeals to a growing segment of environmentally conscious buyers who are willing to pay a premium for homes that align with their values. As awareness of sustainability issues increases, the demand for eco-friendly homes is expected to rise, potentially leading to higher property values in the long run. Homeowners who invest in sustainable design and construction can not only enjoy lower operational costs but also benefit from an appreciating asset that reflects their commitment to environmental stewardship. Moreover, the economic impact of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment extends to job creation within local communities. Sustainable construction projects often require skilled labor and specialized knowledge, fostering job opportunities in areas such as green building, renewable energy installation, and sustainable landscaping. This demand for skilled workers can stimulate local economies and contribute to workforce development initiatives. As communities embrace sustainable housing, they can create a ripple effect that enhances economic resilience and stability, ultimately benefiting all residents. Finally, the economic advantages of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can also lead to increased investment in community infrastructure and services. As sustainable housing projects gain traction, local governments may be encouraged to invest in public amenities such as parks, transportation, and waste management systems that support sustainable living. These improvements can enhance the quality of life for all residents and make the community more attractive to potential newcomers. In this way, the economic benefits of sustainable housing extend beyond individual homeowners, contributing to the overall vitality and resilience of the community as a whole. The environmental impact of sustainable concrete housing. The environmental impact of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is a crucial aspect that merits attention in today's context of climate change and ecological degradation. One of the most significant benefits of using local materials is the reduction in transportation emissions. When materials are sourced from nearby locations, the carbon footprint associated with their transportation is greatly diminished. This not only conserves energy but also helps to lower greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to global warming. Moreover, utilizing local materials often leads to a more sustainable building process, as these materials are typically more suited to the local climate and conditions, resulting in structures that require less energy for heating and cooling. Another critical environmental benefit of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is the promotion of biodiversity. Traditional construction methods often rely on materials that are not only resource-intensive but can also be harmful to local ecosystems. In contrast, sustainable concrete designs that incorporate local materials can support and enhance the surrounding environment. For instance, using natural stone, clay, or recycled materials can help maintain the local landscape's integrity. Additionally, these materials can be selected to ensure that they do not disrupt local flora and fauna, thereby preserving the biodiversity that is essential for a healthy ecosystem. By making conscious choices in material selection, we can create homes that coexist harmoniously with nature rather than depleting it. Furthermore, concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment often emphasizes energy efficiency through innovative design strategies. Sustainable homes typically feature passive design principles, such as optimal orientation for sunlight, natural ventilation, and thermal mass, which collectively reduce energy consumption. By leveraging the natural environment, these homes can maintain comfortable indoor temperatures without relying heavily on artificial heating or cooling systems. This not only leads to lower utility bills for homeowners but also contributes to a significant reduction in overall energy demand. As energy consumption decreases, so does the reliance on fossil fuels, which further mitigates environmental harm and promotes a more sustainable future. In addition to energy efficiency, the environmental impact of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment can also be seen in water conservation efforts. Sustainable homes often incorporate systems for rainwater harvesting, greywater recycling, and permeable paving, which help manage water resources more effectively. By utilizing these innovative strategies, homeowners can reduce their overall water consumption and lessen the burden on local water supplies. This is particularly important in regions that experience drought or water scarcity. Furthermore, the integration of native landscaping can enhance water conservation by reducing the need for irrigation, allowing homes to blend seamlessly into their natural environment while promoting ecological balance. Lastly, the environmental impact of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment extends to waste reduction and resource management. Sustainable construction practices often prioritize the use of recycled materials and minimize waste during the building process. This not only reduces the amount of construction debris that ends up in landfills but also encourages a circular economy where materials are reused and repurposed. By adopting such practices, we can create homes that are not only environmentally friendly but also contribute to a more sustainable construction industry. The emphasis on sustainable design and local materials fosters a culture of responsibility and stewardship towards the environment, inspiring future generations to prioritize ecological balance in their own building projects. The aesthetic appeal of sustainable concrete housing. The aesthetic appeal of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment plays a significant role in the growing popularity of sustainable housing. When designed thoughtfully, concrete homes can seamlessly blend with their natural surroundings, creating a visually stunning landscape. The use of local materials not only ensures that the structures are environmentally friendly but also allows for the incorporation of colors, textures, and forms that resonate with the local environment. For example, using locally sourced stone or timber can add unique characteristics to a home, reflecting the regional identity and enhancing the overall aesthetic. This connection to the local landscape is vital, as it fosters a sense of place and belonging, making the home feel integrated into its surroundings. Moreover, the architectural design of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment often embraces open spaces and natural light, which can greatly enhance the overall ambience of a home. Large windows and open floor plans allow for a fluid connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, inviting nature inside while providing breathtaking views of the environment. This design philosophy not only promotes a healthier living environment but also creates an atmosphere of tranquility and peace. The interplay of light and shadow throughout the day adds a dynamic quality to the home, making it feel alive and ever-changing. As a result, residents can experience the beauty of nature from the comfort of their homes, fostering a deeper appreciation for the environment. In addition to the integration of natural elements, concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment often employs innovative design techniques that enhance its visual appeal. For instance, the use of sustainable materials allows architects and designers to experiment with various forms and structures, resulting in unique and eye-catching designs. The aesthetic potential of concrete is often underestimated. It can be shaped and finished in numerous ways, allowing for creative expression while maintaining functionality. Textured surfaces, colored finishes, and artistic patterns can elevate the visual impact of a concrete home, showcasing its versatility and modernity. This creative approach not only draws attention but also serves as a conversation starter, encouraging discussions about sustainability and design. Furthermore, the landscaping surrounding concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment plays an essential role in enhancing the overall aesthetic. Thoughtful landscaping can complement the architectural features of the home, creating a cohesive look that harmonizes with the natural environment. By incorporating native plants, sustainable gardens, and outdoor living spaces, homeowners can create an inviting atmosphere that extends beyond the walls of their homes. This connection to nature is not only visually appealing but also contributes to biodiversity and ecological health. Additionally, outdoor spaces can serve as extensions of the home, providing areas for relaxation, recreation, and social gatherings, further enriching the living experience. Finally, the aesthetic appeal of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is reinforced by the growing trend of eco-friendly design. As more individuals become aware of the importance of sustainability, they seek homes that reflect their values and lifestyle choices. A beautifully designed concrete house that utilizes local materials not only meets these criteria but also stands as a testament to the commitment to environmental stewardship. This alignment of aesthetics with values creates a powerful narrative that resonates with homeowners and inspires others to consider sustainable living options. In this way, the aesthetic appeal of sustainable concrete housing transcends mere visual beauty, becoming a symbol of a more thoughtful and responsible approach to living in harmony with the natural world. The future of sustainable concrete housing. The future of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is incredibly promising, as more architects, designers, and homeowners recognize the importance of sustainability in construction. With the increasing urgency of climate change and environmental degradation, the demand for eco-friendly building practices is on the rise. Concrete houses that utilize local materials offer a compelling solution by minimizing transportation emissions and reducing the carbon footprint associated with construction. As technology advances, innovations in concrete production and design will continue to evolve, making sustainable housing not only more feasible but also more attractive to a broader audience. This shift toward sustainability will play a crucial role in shaping the future of housing, ensuring Moreover, the integration of smart technologies into concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment is set to revolutionize how we interact with our living spaces. Smart home systems can optimize energy consumption, monitor air quality, and manage water usage, all of which contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. For instance, solar panels can be seamlessly integrated into the design of concrete houses, providing renewable energy while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Additionally, smart irrigation systems can be employed in landscaping, ensuring that native plants receive the appropriate amount of water without waste. This fusion of technology and sustainable design not only enhances the functionality of concrete homes but also promotes a lifestyle that prioritizes environmental stewardship. The role of community in the future of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment cannot be overstated. As more individuals and organizations embrace sustainable living, the importance of community engagement in the design and construction process becomes increasingly evident. Collaborative efforts can lead to the development of eco-villages or sustainable neighborhoods that prioritize green spaces, shared resources, and local craftsmanship. By fostering a sense of belonging and shared responsibility, communities can create environments that not only support sustainable practices but also enhance the quality of life for all residents. This collective approach to sustainable housing will encourage the exchange of ideas and resources, ultimately leading to more innovative and effective solutions. Furthermore, the aesthetic and functional benefits of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment will continue to attract attention from the design community. As sustainable architecture gains recognition, the emphasis on unique and beautiful designs will become more pronounced. Architects and designers will increasingly explore the potential of concrete as a versatile material that can be shaped and finished in various ways to create visually striking homes. The combination of local materials with innovative design will result in homes that not only meet environmental standards but also reflect the individuality of their inhabitants. This focus on aesthetics, combined with sustainability, will make concrete housing an appealing choice for future homeowners. Finally, education and awareness will play a pivotal role in the future of concrete house design with local materials for perfect harmony with the natural environment. As more individuals become informed about the benefits of sustainable living and the importance of reducing their environmental impact, the demand for eco-friendly homes will increase. Educational initiatives, workshops, and community programs can help spread knowledge about sustainable building practices, encouraging more people to consider concrete houses that utilize local materials. By fostering a culture of sustainability and providing resources for those interested in eco-friendly living, society can pave the way for a future where concrete housing is synonymous with environmental responsibility and harmony with nature. This collective commitment to sustainability will not only transform the housing market but also contribute to a